Hi everyone, I just felt like taking you on a tour of the blizzard that we just had. So keep watching. I'm going to go outside and take some pictures and probably a video. And thank you. Okay, this is what it looks like out here. We've got tons and tons and tons of snow. Sunset is beautiful tonight. Hear that? Dogs howling in the distance. Kind of gives it a Dances with Wolves effect. But I'm headed back to the house. I did go up to the gate and took some pretty pictures. I'll probably post those later. But I'm trying to walk back in the footsteps that I made because my pants are already very cold. But this is the most snow that we have had in this area in many, many years. This is only the second blizzard in living memory. Let me tell you, it is hard to walk back in your tracks. Walking pigeon-toed. But yeah, look at this, look how deep that is. But it's beautiful tonight. Alright, I just got back. I'm gonna go ahead and post the pictures that I said I would before. They look amazing. But thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.